The AI world is thrown into upheaval. OpenAI is the company behind ChatGPT. On Friday afternoon, its board of directors announced they were firing CEO Sam Altman and replacing him with then CTO Mira Murati. Shockwaves went through the global tech space. OpenAI president Greg Brockman resigned after hearing the news. Then rumors started flying that he and Altman might be working on a new company, but nobody could be sure. Microsoft is OpenAI's biggest investor, having committed over $13 billion. On Thursday, before all of this news broke, Microsoft stock reached an all-time high. Now its price was tumbling fast. Then before the Sunday afternoon football games ended, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella took to social media. On Twitter, he quickly announced that Altman and Brockman would join Microsoft. They will lead a new advanced AI research team. OpenAI fired back by appointing former Twitch CEO Emmett Shear to run the company. The drama escalated further. Over 500 employees of OpenAI, including CTO Mira Murati, penned a letter threatening to resign. They said the OpenAI board is incapable of overseeing the company. Who are the winners and losers in this high-stakes battle? We won't know until the digital dust begins to settle. But this rapid response signals Microsoft's commitment to launching cutting-edge AI solutions. Buckle up and stay tuned. Be sure to join my list to get the latest news and insights.